Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to restore deleted photos on Instagram, which means if you have recently deleted your photos on Instagram and you do not know how to restore it back, so I'm going to tell you how you can restore it. So first of all, I'm going to delete a photo on my Instagram profile. As you can see here, I am going to delete that photo. So after deleting, as you can see, this photo is not available here. Now if you want to restore that photo, you have to make sure that you have to restore that photo within 30 days, because after 30 days you cannot restore that photo. So if you want to restore, you have to simply click on the profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on your activity here. In your activity, you can see the option of recently deleted. So if you click on photo here, you can find this photo you have recently deleted. So if you click on restore, then here you can easily restore that photo. So if you click on restore, then after a few seconds your photo will be restored, but you have to make sure that you close the Instagram app and you close all the apps you have opened. After refreshing the Instagram app, you can again click on your profile and you can see that that photo has came back after I have restored it. In this way, you can restore any photo you have deleted on your Instagram profile with an ease. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly share this video and subscribe our channel.